Welcome to gardenandallotment.com. This is where we'll be posting daily tips on jobs that need doing in the garden and in the allotment. So make sure you come back every day or click the subscribe button to see what today's daily tip is all about. Hello and welcome to today's garden tip. Today's garden tip is about your terracotta plant pots. In the winter you need to move them indoors or wrap them in bubble wrap. This is because with the freezing weather coming up, any water that's in it will expand and it could crack your terracotta pots. So you don't want that to happen. So either move them indoors into your greenhouse or get them wrapped in bubble wrap so that it doesn't stop them from cracking and it will protect them through the winter time, as you don't want to be forking out money for new pots in the new year. Make them last that little bit longer by just giving them that extra protection or moving them indoors. Thanks for watching today's tip and remember to subscribe to the link. Thanks for watching.